unpacking of Anchor by Panasonic Spike Guard 4 universal socket shutter with switches, and there will be different switches. So I just opened it, just take it out. So this one is drawn, you can see the picture. This is from an Anchor by Panasonic. So it has got 4 sockets with individual switch. That's good of it. I can see only 3 switches. It has, the best thing is it has got a fuse and a switch on off button. I will take it out. So this is how it looks like. So 1, 2, 3. I think one will be control. I'll just put it in plug and then see how light. So we can see whether the earthing is there or not. It's good. Fuse is blown or not. So I put it inside the plug. When I switch it on, it's off right now. When I switch it off, I can see this light and this light okay. It means all is good. Means earthing is proper and rest of the things is good. I can switch it on, off, 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 off. This is what after usage I'll let you know. I've used earlier also Anchor, that was a good